represent this inequality on a number line. And before we represent it on a number line, we need to get the solution first. So, solution. Now, what do we do? Okay, the question says 5x minus 1 all over 3, then minus 1 minus 2x all over 5 is less than or equal to 8 plus x. So the first thing to do is to multiply through by the LCM of the denominators. And the LCM of the denominators is what? 15. So multiply through by 50 into 5x minus 1 all over 3. Then minus 15 into 1 minus 2x all over 5. Then is less than or equal to 15 into 8 plus x. And that gives us, first of all, this cancels this, we have what? 5. And 5 cancels this one, we have what? 3. And then we open. 5 times 5 is 25x. Minus 5 times 1 is 5. Then 3 times 1 is minus 3. Minus times minus plus 3 times 2 is 6x. Is less than or equal to. Now 15 times 8 is 120. And 15 times x is plus 15x. Now let's collect like terms. This is 25x plus 6x minus 15x is less than or equal to. This is 120. So I'm crossing to the other side. 120 plus 5. This one also plus 3. So we have that 25 minus 15 plus 6. We have 16x is less than or equal to. Sorry, this is 128. 128. So this will give us 128, right? And then 16 divided 1 to this 16, 128 over 16. And then x is less than or equal to what? 8. So this is what we will represent on a number line. So we have to represent x is less than or equal to 8 on a number line. So this is it. And now let's say somewhere here is 8, this is 0, and let's assume here is 8. Now draw a circle on it and then take it this way. So because it is less than or equal to, that means 8 is included. So we shade that circle. So this is how to represent this equation. This inequality, of course, we solved and got this on a number line. Thank you for watching.